Arrays are similar to matrices, but can have more than two dimensions. Let's understand by below formula. My array, array, vector, dimensions and dim name, where vector contains the data for the array. Dimensions is a numeric vector giving the maximal index for each dimension, and dim name is an optional list for dimension levels.
Let's start. So this is dimension 1 and this is the dimension 1 and dimension 2, B2, B3, B4, dimension 3, C1, C2, C3, C4. So here Z, then array, total 36 observation would be there. See this part, this is very important. First one is row, second one is column, third one is third dimension, then dim name, and then list dim 1, dim 2, dim 3. Let's run this code. Control enter. Then select second one, control enter, third one, control enter. Now this code, control enter, and now Z, control enter. So this is the output. See here total 36 observation. See here total 36 observation. Now first is my row, so 3 row, 1 2 3 row, 3 column, 1 2 3 column. Now 4, this is the third dimension, is 4, C1, C2, C3 and C4. Then dim name, list dim 1, dim 2 and dim 3. Now observe this area. This is very interesting thing. Say for example, instead of 36 you are looking for 24 observation and you are looking for 2 row 3 column. So 2 row 3 column and 4 third dimension. So again let me run this code, run, then again run, third dimension run, then array run and run. So now observe this one. Okay. This is something here. Yeah. So here, see what we mentioned over there. It is like 2 row, like, but here I have mentioned 3 row. So I need to delete 1 row and let's run again. This one, second, third, fourth, and now Z. Yes. see over here. So as I told you, 2 row, this is the 2 row, 3 column, this is the 3 column, and 4 dimension. Third dimension is 4. 1, C2, C3, C4. Let's go to whiteboard for better understanding.
Step-by-step analytics. Here you will find step-by-step analytics case studies. How business can be improved by analytics and analysis. Here you will find small case studies. I am building up entire ecosystem of analytics and analysis. Please leave your suggestion and advice in the comment box below what you want to see in this channel and how can we create value for you. Stay tuned and forward this video to your friends and colleagues.